Building a home internet business to make money online. Many people who search the internet to improve their standard of living simply don't know what it takes to make money online. This video includes the most important steps to build a home business which successfully generates online income. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week, and be sure to hit the like button if you're getting value from these free tips. The World Wide Web offers anybody with a home computer and internet connection the opportunity to set up a home-based business with a click of the mouse. But beginning to build a successful home-based business is where the hard work, training, determination, and excitement starts. Many thousands of people get totally depressed and disillusioned when they do not make any money online after a few weeks of starting their own home-based business. They simply do not appreciate the time and effort it takes to build a successful home business. Starting a successful home-based business is not a get-rich-quick overnight business. You need to make constant changes, altering the content, scripts, graphics, and advertising to keep your site and content fresh with the aim of receiving targeted traffic and, more importantly, repeat customers. When you have successfully done this and hit pay dirt, you then will be making a great income online. Here's how to build a home internet business. 1. Your first objective is to make your website visible to as many people who are searching for what your home business offers. This involves advertising your home-based business all over the internet, whether this includes pay-per-click ads, writing articles, building links to similar sites, banner advertising, or writing a newsletter. These are all very important methods to advertise your home internet business. 2. It is so important that you try and get a vast number of repeat customers to your site. Offering a free email newsletter is a very good example, and with your own autoresponder account set up, your visitors will be able to subscribe to your free email newsletter, thus receiving quality content and information, with the result to purchase products or services from your website. Your list will grow, and effectively over time your sales will increase. 3. Also ensuring that your website is search engine friendly is another very important factor. Achieving excellent rankings for search results relating to your website virtually guarantees vast numbers of targeted traffic. Best of all, this traffic is free. You can optimize your website for chosen keywords yourself, but I suggest you research keywords first. 4. Building backlinks to your website is another great step to advertise on the internet. Linking to other similar niche websites makes the search engines index your website more quickly and possibly gives you better search rankings. 5. Writing and submitting articles to article directories and other web pages is an effective and free way to advertise your site too. This has to be done on a regular, consistent basis to grow your online presence. For a fee, you can hire a ghostwriter to write articles for you. This is a great idea if you have money but no time to write. 6. Post and work at home forums with an anchor link to your website in your signature. This is free, and effectively your posts will be indexed by the search engines, giving you another free source of traffic. 7. Pay-per-click advertising is another way to receive targeted traffic to your website. The advantage of this is almost immediate. Once you set an account up, add relevant keywords and phrases, write your ads, and how much you want to spend, the traffic flows to your site. But it can be very costly to the newbie or inexperienced. Make tweaks and changes to find the most clickable ads which have a high click-through rate. 8. Add content to your home internet business. Where your website or blog is concerned, it is extremely important to add new content continually, not only to please the search engines, but to add interest and excitement to your site also. You can expand your site by adding relevant but different keywords to new pages. This will attract new visitors and ultimately new sales. Continually monitor your keyword rankings in the search engines and keep a watchful eye on your competition. Make adjustments and improvements where necessary. Over time, as the presence of your home-based business increases, so will the total volume of traffic to your website. 9. Maintain your website. To be effective in maintaining your website, you need to regularly check that all your links are working, check download times, remove broken links, add different graphics, and add fresh content. Keep your website up to date. 10. Make changes to your website. There may be a time in the future that you are receiving a lot of targeted traffic to your site, but you are not making a steady stream of online income. What do? Take a very good look at your site. Are your advertisements relevant to your products? Can your visitors find out what they are looking for easily? Is your website easy to navigate and search? Is your website displaying other people's ads or banners? Is your site's color scheme very bright or too dark? Or are you offering out-of-date information or non-relevant content? Join a home-based business forum and ask to submit your site for an online review. There are also many forums dedicated to search engine optimization, link building, writing, and submitting articles. These forums will give you honest and precise feedback on your particular query or problem. There will always be someone to help you. There are many aspects involved in building a successful home internet business. Over time, your business will grow and develop to where many thousands of people will view and buy from your website on a daily and ongoing basis. These people will have searched through PPC ads, read your own articles, and clicked on your website links to arrive at your site. Only then will you start making a great income online. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.